Hello USD 489, this is Marie Henderson. In this video, we'll look at setting up your courses that came in from PowerSchool with your student rosters and get those connected to the Canvas content that you've created in the past or during the summer months here. So I'm logged in as Ted Foster. Thank you, Mr. Foster, for being the guinea pig. And I want to go to one of his PowerSchool courses. Now I know that both this one here at the bottom left and this one here at the top right are PowerSchool courses. I can see here that they have a sub name with the 2019-2020 Hayes Middle School. Of course, Hayes High, you'll see Hayes High. You'll see that subtitle and you'll know that those have come in from PowerSchool. See how the courses that Ted has created himself do not have that third row, that subtitle that shows the sub account. So I want to find the one that's semester 1. You can see here that I have an S1. So I'm going to click to open it. And the students that are enrolled in Ted's Social Studies course are already enrolled in this course in Canvas. So now we just need to get Ted's content into this course. So we're going to go to Settings, which you'll find there at the bottom left of your navigation. And then here at the right, we're going to click to Import Course Content. And from the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Copy a Canvas Course. You can go searching for the course that you created where your content lives here in the drop-down menu, but there may be, depending on how long you've taught for the district, quite a few things in there. You will definitely find it though under default term, and you are looking for the word shell if you used that when you created your copies after the first semester or second semester ended. Your other option is just to type in the course name over here in this search bar, for instance 2019, and then anything that had 2019 is going to come up, or anything that has semester 1 2019. Or again, if you use the word shell, makes it real easy to find the ones that we created. So I'm going to select here his shell, and I'm going to drop in all of the content. If you wanted the due dates adjusted and you worked with me to make this copy in the first place, you've already done that part. If you didn't do it, you can go look in that course and see what your due dates are listed as, see if they're 2018 due dates and you need to push them forward. And if so, you can check this box, and then you can shift those from an August 2018 up to a August 2019. But Ted's already done that part, so I'm going to uncheck that box and we're going to click Import. Depending on the size of your course and how much content is in the course, this can take a while, and you'll see the progress bar go over here. So I'm going to pause my video right now and wait for that to finish. And when it's done, you'll see a completed bar over here. If there are issues, the completed bar is yellow. If you see a green completed bar, you won't see the link to issues. Typically, these issues are wiki page links. So there's a link to a page that is broken and you'll need to update. I have another video where I show you how to do just that. So now we need to go back though to Settings. I'm just going to use the URL bar here at the top to get there. And we're going to rename this course so that we can find it easily. So Foster Social Studies Semester 1 2019, and this time instead of using the word shell, we're going to use the word students. That way I very specifically know that this is the course where the students are enrolled. And then here next to course code, you just want to give a shortened name for your course, something smaller than the big long code that comes in there from PowerSchool. And if you want, you can also mark students on this one as well. So then down here with dates, if you want to put in a start and end date, you can. We will go back in before the end of the semester and put in an end date, and then you'll want to check the boxes here restricting the students from viewing. Please remember though that until you publish your course, your students can't view it anyway. So then we want to scroll all the way to the bottom and we want to click Update Course Details. The next thing we want to do is go to our sections and rename those as well. So you can see here again they come in with some sort of code from PowerSchool. At the middle school it's a little bit easier. The 1 does mean first hour, second hour, etc. At the high school you need to find out what the gold and maroon schedule is that coincides with those numbers before you change these. So I'm going to click on the name of a section, and then I'm going to click here to edit section, and here at the top I'm just going to make this first hour, and then I want to click the blue update section, and we're going to go back to course settings and just continue on down the list here doing this for each of the sections. Clicking on the name, clicking edit section, typing in the hour, click Update section, and go back to course settings. I'm going to do that for each and pause the video now while I finish up that process. So now I have each one of them done, and I'll be able to make due dates specified by hour much more quickly in the assignments view or when I'm adding a discussion board or a quiz. You'll want to do this same process where you import the course content and rename your course and then your course sections for each of your courses that came in from PowerSchool. As always, if you have questions or you need additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.